Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to this new logistic website which has a lot of features, email notification, live map, real-time tracking of your package, receipt and all of that. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually set this up for yourself, how the site actually work and that. Okay, as you can see, this is actually the front end of the website. You can see it's a really beautiful website and it's a multiple page website. At the home, about service, contact us, and tracking page. So this is the home page. As you can see, it's really beautiful. All the content and all are already here already. This is the about us page. All right, you can see this loader here. This is the about us page. We have the service page too. This is where all the service we are doing is actually. As you can see, this is all the service. We have the contact us page too. All right. So this is the contact us page. As you can see. So this is the tracking page. So now this tracking page. So this way you put your tracking ID, then you track now. Your tracking details will show. Let me move on to the admin so we can get the tracking number and just show this up. So your to get to the admin, we will be website slash admin, take you directly to this dashboard. Just input your login details, sign in. Oh, as you can see, this is actually the admin dashboard of this logistic website. So we have the dashboard here. Okay, let me take a tracking number first before I walk through all the steps of the admin. Take the tracking number and paste it right here. Track now. All right, as you can see, this is the tracking page of this logistic website. I can see your track details. Okay, you can see your contact person. This is the person name, the phone number, the sender info, and the receiver info. Shipment details, tracking ID, pickup date, status, and all of that. As you can see, this live map right here. Live map right here, and the tracking history is actually here too. So once you update the tracking from the admin, it will show right here, so the user can actually see, okay, my package has been picked up. It's going to its destination. What is just happening about the package? As you can see, this is actually the current location of this particular package. As you can see, in Houston, Texas, in US right now. As you can see, that can be set from the admin. So we have the package image, the package name, the weight and the quantity of the image. And we still have another one right here, which is the print receipt. So user can actually print the receipt of their package. As you can see, look at the invoice of this, really, really beautiful. You can see we have the site logo right here, which can be changed. We have the invoice. This is the invoice, the sender and the receiver name, dispatch date, payment method, cash, we have the tracking ID, product description, shipping costs, clearance costs, blah blah. We just have a lot here. Payment method, which is support in the site. As you can see, the subtotal and the total. So you can actually see, just click on print, then you can just print that and download that directly into your device. You can just save that if you want. So that's all about this particular tracking page and all of that. So the next part, just move straight to the admin, show you how that actually works. Okay, like I said, this is the admin. So once you log in, you straight to this particular dashboard. This particular dashboard, you can see the image, package image here. This is the tracking number, status. We have the date it was added, the package. We have an action here which you can edit, delete, copy, view the details, and view updates of a particular tracking. First part, let me click on this update. This update is to, okay, now you can update the particular status of your package. You can change the status to active, current location, let's say New York, and click on the date right here. Let's say on the 16th. Put the time right there, just put a note. Your package is active now. Shipping cost should be, let's say, $12, then finance cost $12. Just click on update right there. I can see updated successfully. So if I should go back to this particular tracking page now, let me reload this. Let me show you something right here. As you can see, this is the tracking history. As you can see, current location is New York City. The note is your package active. As you can see, the status is actually active. So that is all about the updating session of this admin. The next part is actually delete. So I don't want to delete that right now because it will delete the package. So you can copy your tracking number for each package. So this view details is to view details of a particular tracking. As you can see, you have the tracking number here, sender info, receiver info, package information, so on, and the package image right here. So this is here to see the package details. Then the view update, this is where the history of the tracking will be like when you update the particular status of the tracking. So the history will be right this particular place. So the ad tracking, this is where the ad tracking will be. As you can see, the tracking number is automatically generated. You keep refreshing the page, you can see the tracking number is being generated for you, so you don't have to be worrying about each user or each customer having the same tracking ID. As you can see, it's automatically generated for you. Just input the sender name, sender contacts, sender info, receiver info, package info, then the additional details, then click on the image and click on add. Once you add that, an email will be sent directly to the receiver of this particular package that your package is sort of has been added successfully, so on and so forth about that. Then the general settings, so this is where to set your site names, your site name and your site name, address, and all of that. Then shipment settings, this way you set the prefix. Like this site now is actually Swift link. As you can see, the prefix now is XL. So the XL will be in the tracking number which will be generating for you. If your name of your site is Swift link, you just have XL, then the random numbers will be there just to make it very unique to your site. Then this part here, which the length of the tracking number, how the length will be. Then you can allow to print receipts, and you can see show if you want them to actually show the map. So you can just put yes or no for that. Yeah, this term, this is what's actually showing in the receipt. So if you can edit that to be showing directly in the receipt. Then the account section is where the admin can actually change the login details of this, which is really, really important. So you can change that here. That's all about the logistics right from the front end to the admin dashboard. That's how the site actually works. Next part of this video is to show you how to actually set up this for yourself in the next 10 minutes or less. Alright guys, now this part I will show you how to actually set up this for yourself. Once you have purchased your domain name and hosting, to take you once you log in, take you straight to this particular page which I'm in now. All you just need to do is to look for file manager, which is right here. Click on file manager, okay, public underscore HTML. Just open this particular folder. Then look on this upload right here, upload. Just need to select the file, which is this is it. That file will be given to you once you actually pay for it. Or just need to wait for this particular file to finish uploading. Once you get to 100% and it will show green, please just wait for it to get to 100%. Do not cancel it until you see the green. This blue must change to green before you can cancel this. If not, it will not work. Alright, it's uploading. This should be fast if you have a very strong network. All right, as you can see, that's finished uploading and you can see it's actually come to green. Just cancel that, you don't need that anymore. Just click on this reload right here to actually see the file. As you can see, it's right here. Right click on that and click on extract into this public underscore HTML right here. Extract. As you can see, once you see this, just know that the file has finished extracting. Just click on close. Just look for the particular file, which is it, script link. What you should do in your own, you should open this particular file if you are working on it directly into the public underscore HTML. Click on select, then click on move. Just clean everything and move it directly into the public underscore HTML. I'm not going to be doing that now because this is actually a test work. So all you just have to do is to clean it and click on move file. But I'm not doing that for my own, but you should do that for your own. So next part now is to actually create a database so that we can link it so that everything will be working perfectly. To do that, go back to this particular page, then search for database. Click on this database wizard, this particular one right here. Click on that database wizard. All right, now you just have to create the name which you want to use for your database. It can be DB, it can be new DB, or it can be a set name, whatever you want to actually use. So mine, I'm going to use the name of my folder. So then put DB right there. Click on okay. Click on next. All right. Now that's to have created database. Now you have to create a username for that particular database. You can write user there, but I'm going to be using the same name which I used. Then for password, you can click on password generate. You can generate the password. You can just copy this particular password. Then click I have copied this password in a safe place. But I'm not going to be doing that. I just want to use the same name for everything which I'm creating. For my database, my username and my password is actually the same thing. Then click on create user. All right, it's loading. All right, so you have successfully created database username, rather. Okay, click on allow all privileges. You can either click on make changes or next step. They are actually the same thing. So I'll click on next step. All right, as you can see, you have successfully created your database and your username and your password of that. So if you copy this is your username, this is my database name. So all you need to do now is to actually link it to the file. So once you're in your file, you look for a file called database db.php. This particular one right here, click on edit. All right. So this particular is the username. I use the same thing for mine. As you can see, this is mine. Your username, your password, and database name. Once you have input them right here, click on save. Okay. Click on save. Then all you have to look for this particular folder called SQL. Open that folder, download this particular file right here, then come back to this particular place and search for PHP. Then this PHP admin, click on that. All right. Okay, look for the database which you created. I use this link. In your own, if you not have this many files right here, just be the one which you have created. So this is my right here. This link. Click on import, browse. That particular file which you just downloaded, click on that and click on open. Scroll down and click on import. Okay. It's importing. Okay, while that is importing, let me actually show you how to actually, okay, as you can see, it has actually imported. So once you see this green, just know that it has imported. The next part now is to show you how to actually set up the mail so that user can actually be receiving notification and all of that in the site. To do that, click on here, go back and now click on tools here, or you search for email, this email account, click on that. All right, so okay, as you can see, email account right here. Okay, click on create. Mean can be support, whatever name you want to actually use. So let me actually use my Swift link. Swift link. It can be anything actually, share whatever you want to use. So you create the password. You can click on generate password. Okay, let's generate password. Just copy this, keep it safe. Copy that. Click on create. All right, it's creating the email account. All right, it's created. Okay, as you can see, successful created. So this is the email which we actually created right now. So to actually set up the email in your file, just go back. All right. So once you are in this particular page, look for this function.php file. Click on edit. All right. So to set up this for the host, it will actually be your domain name, which should be uh right here. Okay, first of all, let me copy this email first of all. Copy this email and put it right here. So this is where the email will be. Those in that email you created, put it here. The email goes here too. The email right here. Then for the password will go right here. Okay. Then to get your host, which is your domain, the host will be your domain name, so you can actually look for it right here. I can see this is your host. This your domain name is actually your host. That's what to go here. Then your name of your site can go here. You can put your name of your site here. Name of your site here. Then you click on save. Don't forget to click on save. Once you have saved that, the email notification will start working. So that's all about this particular video from the installation, how the site work. That's all about this logistic website. You can see it's very, very easy to set up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.